Okay guys, I just finished getting ready for work and I just wanted to unbox this hair piece with y'all. My extension came like this. Hopefully there's a cuter packaging inside. But this is the brand Carissima or something like that. It's with a K. And I hear a lot about this brand being really good for their synthetic hair. So this is, 20 inches long in the color jet black. Now, right now, my hair looks like a dark brown, and that's because I need to dye it. Okay. And I got it jet black because my hair is really black, and the reason why it is like brownish right now is because it's due for another dye job, but I'm saving it to do it fresh in a couple weeks before I go on vacation. So I'm gonna dye my hair in a couple weeks. This is really tricky because I don't want to cut. Is this light annoying you? Oh no, looks worse without it, right? No, this is a bad angle. I don't want to like cut through hair by accident, so there we go. Ooh, here she is. Oh, oh my God, so cute. Okay, I totally forgot. This is why I like this brand. They come with free gifts. So let's look through the free gifts first. So this is just a little bottle. I don't know what I would put in that, but that's cool. And then it has this little comb. That's adorable. Just like this little metal tooth comb. Let's see. I don't know if this is like a Korean brand or what, but oh, a little hair tie. That's cute. It's a little hair tie with a gold bow. And then I don't know what this is. I think I saw this in a video, but it's like a little something for your hair. Like you can, oh, it comes with two. You can do this and it like keeps your hair out of your face without like messing up your hairstyle or like, you know, leaving a, no, it would mess it up if you had it back, but I mean like when your hair's down, it won't leave that little clip indentation. And then it comes with 2 extra clips just in case they fall off, and a needle and some thread. That's cool. And I'll leave this brand below that I found on Amazon because I looked at a lot of other ones and they didn't come with free gifts or anything. And I've just heard so many good things about this brand. That's why I have high hopes. Okay, so that was really, really cute. Here's, here's what it looks like. Let's open her up. Okay. I don't know what to expect, you guys. I've never in my life ever had, whoa. Never in my life have I had hair extensions. But these are synthetic, which is the fake hair. Comes with a little hairnet around it. Get off me. And it feels, oh, this feels softer than my hair. Wow. I'm actually blown away. This feels really, really soft. Not only that, but it feels heavy. There's like weight to it, you guys. I kind of thought it was gonna be cheapy maybe, but this feels heavy. This is actually more hair than I have on my whole head. Yeah, because my hair is very thin. So adding this to it, oh, I cannot wait. Okay. So here's what she looks like opened up. Let's shake her out. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this on for you guys. The curls are nice. It looks so natural. I can't even believe this. It's a nice natural jet black, not like a blue black, thankfully. And when I have my hair freshly dyed, like, this is going to match me exactly. And so here are the, I think they're called wefts, or this is a weft, I'm not sure. But there's 5 black clips in this little black panel. And then you'll like make a part in your hair, and it comes across like this. Ooh, I'm gonna have luxurious hair. I'm so excited about this, dude. That is awesome. I almost want to get some even longer ones. These are really long though. Look at how long this is. Oh snap. I am so excited over this. Okay, so I do hear that hair extensions tangle very easily, so I'm gonna be careful with these. Where can I hang this? I think I want to hang it somewhere. I don't know. I have to get going to work though, you guys, but I am very excited about this purchase. I cannot wait to wear it. So I don't know if I should make a whole separate video or if I should just show you in a vlog. But anyways, that's them. So stay tuned to see these babies in action. Excuse my face. I got 2 breakouts, but I'm feeling like a mermaid. Look at how long they are. I tried to like straighten the bottom half. Let me show you guys. That I like to curl my hair is like beach waves, where like the ends go straight, but they didn't really take to the curling iron so well. They didn't burn or anything, but they just like didn't want to do what I was trying to make them do. But their bottoms, they come like super rounded and curved, and I don't like that. So I guess this works. I was going for like a beachy mermaid wave, so I think I need to put a little more volume in the crown, like if I was going out or whatever, but I think it looks so good. Look at how long it is. Let's see. It's like so full and luxurious, right? It's really easy to use. Like, they're really easy to put in, and my hair is so thick now. Oh.
moving or is the train moving?
Train is moving. Both of us are moving.
Hey guys, so I didn't get a chance to, well, I did have a chance. I guess it felt a little too private to be like putting all my family on there and my abuela, or their abuela, my grandma. I know I spell it weird. Like if you speak Spanish, you know I'm like spelling it wrong, but abuela comes from like abuela, and that's just what my kids call my grandma because that's their great grandma. So we went to her house to visit her, and she just hasn't been feeling very well lately, so I just didn't want to be like filming in there, you know. But I didn't get a chance to like even be outside and like say anything for the vlog because I was going to do that like outside in private and just show you guys like that's where I grew up. So I'm just gonna do it now and kind of like insert this in the appropriate spot in the vlog. But yeah, that's where I grew up. That's where I grew up when I was really young, like around my daughter's age actually. In the country, out in the boondocks. It's literally next to a cotton gin. So right behind my abuela's house is a cotton gin. It's crazy. And there's like nothing out there, but I just wanted to show you guys because I feel like it looks really peaceful. And if you've never been to the country, like, or the south or whatever, I think it would be cool to see. And all the cows and the horses are out there, and I think it looks really peaceful. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little segment there, but I just really wanted to show y'all where I came from. And now we are going to get right back into the vlog. This is the next day. Just wanted to let you guys know that I didn't get carded for buying beer. Yep, so officially old, because nobody thinks that I can pass for 21. I just wanted to let you guys know that. My vlogs are like my diaries, pretty much, so you can always look back and remember things about my life. But I wanted this to be noted in my vlog that I cannot pass for 21 anymore. I'm a little sad. And this has happened before. I haven't been getting carded for like a couple years, or no, maybe like the past year. But for it to continue to happen, it's just like I don't look young anymore. They can tell that I'm past the quarter life, like that I'm like pretty much 30, that I'm like near to 30. They can tell. They can see it. They can see my crow's feet and my mom face and my mom bod, and they can just tell. They're like, yep, there's no way in hell that she's younger than 21, so she's good. So I went to Rue 21 because they were having a sale. I just wanted to like see what they had, honestly. And I found this bra for $3. They had bras on sale for $3. Isn't this cute? Like, isn't this so precious for summertime? I really like the way that yellow looks against my skin. Now that I'm like tan, I feel like it looks cute. But this is a 36D and it was $3 on sale, original $10. But I don't know if this is gonna fit me, you guys. I didn't try it on, I just bought it. Because it's a 36D, but it has like hella padding in there, and I'm just like, is my boob gonna fit in there? We're gonna have to try it on. But it's a crisscross back, and I just feel like it was super cute. And like $3, you can't beat that, honestly. Even if you just like wear it for like sexy time or something, you know, like if it doesn't fit right. But yeah, it's really cute. It kind of looks a little on the small side, even though I am a 36D. Sometimes I can wear a 36 double Ds though, so that's the thing. And then I got one more thing, because I saw these glasses and I just like couldn't resist, because I've been wanting, oh my god, I've been wanting colored glasses like this, and they're pink. I'm just like living. How cute are these? Honestly, I just feel like Like, they're so precious. This with like yellow, look at that. Strawberries and bananas. Not that anybody would see my bra, but I just felt like these were so precious, and I just like the way they fit. They feel very comfortable, and I like the way it looks to like see the world in pink. I'm loving it. I kind of want to get yellow nails now. Like, I was gonna get fire red nails, and now I feel like I want yellow.
We have Mila Peña. Mila is deserving of a reading recognition, citizenship, and her pre-K certificate. Next, we have Jonathan Perez.
Hey guys, so we just got done with that little award ceremony. It was like an end of the year ceremony for the kids, and she got a couple of certificates, and then we took a picture with her teacher, and she was crying. Mila was crying, and I was like, what's the matter? Why are you crying, baby? And she's like, it's just happy tears. And I was like, she is so precious. Like, she loves school so much. She's gonna be really sad when it's over, and I think we literally have 2 days of school left. Like, she's devastated. It is just so precious because I am like the exact opposite, and I'm just glad that she's better than me. Like, the most I can hope for my children is that they will be better than me at life. Like, I want them to be way better than me and do way better than I've ever done. So it just makes me so proud that she's such a scholar. Like, I can tell that she will definitely go to college, and she is gonna make her dreams come true, and she's gonna be so involved, and it just like melts my heart. And her teacher tells me all the time that she knows she's gonna do great things. Like, she's gonna be getting scholarships and not even have to pay for college, because that's how smart she is already in pre-K. In pre-K, you guys. I'm not trying to brag, but I'm kind of bragging. Like, I love my daughter. I'm allowed to brag about my daughter, right? Because it's my kid. It's not like I'm bragging about myself. But she's so bright. I love her. And I just thought that was so precious that she cried because she was happy. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, you guys. It's getting kind of long, and then definitely be on the lookout for the next travel vlog. The next vlog in general will be when I go on my vacation. We're leaving in about, what, 21 days? I'm so excited. So that will be the next vlog. It's gonna be lit, you guys. If you enjoyed this vlog, let me know. I'm really trying to amp up my editing skills and just make it look like really enjoyable. I don't know, like when I watch my vlogs like this, with the traveling and going places, like, I feel like it's so soothing. I love watching vlogs like this, but I've been trying to be better at my editing. So let me know what you guys think. And if you do like this vlog, I'm sure you're gonna like the next one, because it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna go a lot of places, and hopefully my editing will be on point. But anywho's, definitely give it a thumbs up if you like my vlogs. I absolutely love making them, and I really like that some of you enjoy them. It really warms my heart, like I always say. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified to see the next travel vlog. And until next time, see you guys later.